Please click the subscribe button and press that bell icon. Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to chroma key in Sony Vegas Pro. First open Sony Vegas Pro. Now drag in the background video and the chroma key video. Now click the Event FX button in the green screen video, and select the option Sony Chroma Key R. Now click on the color option, and select the color picker, and click on the green color in the preview screen to select the color to be removed. Now check the option mask only, and correct the low and high threshold. After you correct the threshold, uncheck the option show mask only. Cut out the extra parts. And now click render, and wait for it to be completed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.